Hi, in this video I will show you how to watch active status on Instagram. So if you want to see your active status as well as others, you can click onto these three dots, click onto the search bar and search in here for active. So once you have searched in here for that, you should be able to see in here is the active status option. So we have in here activity status, be sure to turn this on. Because if you didn't turn this on, you won't be able to see others as well as yourself. So let's turn it on right here and then let's show this to the account to follow and have message. So for this one, let's head over right here to our messenger and then look in here for the account that you want to check the active status. So for example, we have in here this account. You can click onto their name right here and you should be able to see in here this last seen option. If you don't see it, that means that they actually hide their active status and there's no way to get around it. You can click on other option and you can still see in here if that person is actually active or whatnot. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.